VELO is having what looks like a big day. Today is Monday, the 22nd of December, 2025. Pre-market session is up 10%. Quite a high beta stock. Short interest is quite modest, 13%. Okay. Let's see what we have going on. It's currently trending. Let's see. Yeah, major contract win today, $32.6 million contract from the DoD. The DoD's Defense Innovation Unit for Project Forge. The contract aims to resolve manufacturing bottlenecks from critical U.S. critical U.S. weapons programs. Okay, so President Trump signed the Defense Authorization Act for next year into law, sometime this month. Okay, the act aims to treat additive manufacturing as a critical defense infrastructure and prohibits the DoD from using or procuring additive manufacturing systems manufactured in or networked through strategic adversaries like China and Russia. And a US-based company, as a US-based company with a domestic assembly and high-level DoD cybersecurity compliance, the company is a primary beneficiary of these provisions and much more. Yeah, yeah, you can always pause and have a read and see what's going on. Okay. Yeah, okay, let's see what we have on its 4 hour chart here. Okay, yeah, this is the daily chart. And the line trend is before now, I would just say, let's just say bearish to neutral. Today's extrapolation as of Friday the 19th is wrong. It's now up, as we can all see. But in any case, we have a pivotal projection here of 12.52. If it closes above that, it may advance towards 13.47. It's yeah, if it does that, that may be what may happen. Okay, let's go to the 4 hour chart to see what we have here. On the 4 hour chart, you got a rejection. When was this? Was it today? Got a rejection at no, on Friday. Got a rejection at 13.32. Okay. For some reason. Okay. Okay. So this was a post market rejection. Okay. So in that post market, in the regular session, it gained at 10.8. Sorry, it closed at 10.83. So right now it is up at it's now trading at 12.25. So it's a bit confusing. It's a bit confusing, but it's up currently it's up from the close of Friday's trading session. But in any case, the extrapolation is that lower prices may continue to print because we have it is actually contracting that post market session bounce. Yes, that's what's going on right now. It's a bit confusing. Yeah. Okay, projections. We have a pivotal projection here as well. We have 13.72 intraday high, or probably 52-week high, intraday high, 14.62. Okay. Momentum is expected to continue decaying, going all the way towards Christmas Eve by Boxing Day, even on Christmas Eve as well, into Boxing Day might get a bounce. Okay. Okay, what we can do is just quickly have a look at its market grid and see what it is indicating. But in any case, let's have a look at the values on this price pressure momentum indicator here. So it is yeah, trending, everything is positive. So positions opened all the way back to 40 hours ago are in profit, yeah. And but obviously it's decelerating. Let's see, are they buying this weakness? Yeah. Price pressure is decelerating, yeah. Yeah, momentum is decelerating, and the price pressure is equally decelerating as well. No, no, okay. The momentum is has weakened. Price pressure has increased. So people are buying, but the pace is has reduced. People are buying. You can see the first derivative is has increased from 17.68 to 20.14. So in the midst of this weakness, buying pressure has increased. Okay, has increased, but the pace is not as not high. So it's a mix of things. Okay. So and that also what this is also indicating is that before now, the stock was gaining 25 points, or up till now is still the 10-day moving average is gaining 25 points every 4 hours. Yeah, every 4 hours. So if the stock continues to decline, it might drop below its that moving average by it might drop below that moving average in a few hours. Yeah, in a few hours, before maybe, yeah, in a few hours. Yeah, by the time the market opens, it may drop. It may have dropped below that moving average, but we'll see how it goes. We wanted to have a look at its market grid to see what it is going to indicate. Okay, we have the top of the grid is 14.23. Let's see. Yeah, 14.49 rather. Okay, so the stock is currently at 12.26. It is right here, down here. Yeah, 12.26, 12.25. Yeah, this is where it is. Yeah, so it may well go ahead and print lower prices, but yeah, it still has yeah, 12.09, something that can happen. Yeah, but at the same time, it begins to open the opportunity to buy this dip. I remember I showed you that some buying pressure has kicked in. Yeah, we'll see how all of this will go. We'll see how all of this will go. The probability of it retesting 12.23. Let's see what we have. 12.23 will be where? 12.23 will be here. 12.37 will be somewhere around here. Just slightly where it is trading at. Just slightly around there. 12.37. 12 point, it's trading at 12, okay, 12.42 now. That's where it is right now. Okay. So 12.69, let's check 12.69, the probability of it retesting 12.69. Let's see, statistically 12.69 is very high statistically, but you can't rely on that at all. And what of 13.01? 13.01, what's the probability of it retesting that? 13.02, we have statistically very low. So our best bet is 12.69 statistically, but it doesn't mean that it can't. It's also sometimes when it's the statistic, the probability is very tiny that it actually tends to happen. Yeah, it defies the odds. Yeah, yeah, that's what's going on right now. Okay, we have projections here. They're saying 13.76. 19.18, 23.21, 25.70. Yeah. But it's good we have this guide, this grid. It gives us a range of prices. Yeah. Okay. So see what you make of VELO, and thank you very much for watching this video.